Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe. Today I'm going to make a delicious carrot cake. We made it healthy because we put oats and a little bit of bananas. The things you need are 2 pounds carrots, 2 small bananas, 1 cup vegetable oil, 9 large eggs, 2 cups flour, 2 cups quick oats, 1½ cup sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. So let's start. Put your oats in a dry blender. This is optional. If you don't have a dry blender, that's okay. Just make sure you use the quick oats. Then in a large bowl, add your flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, sugar, and all the dry ingredients including your oats. Then mix them all together. Then in a separate blender, add your carrots, oil, eggs, and bananas. The bananas are optional. The original carrot cake does not have bananas in the recipe, but we added the bananas and used less sugar instead. Now turn the blender on. If you don't have a blender, grate your carrots and mix everything by hand. And then add your carrot mixture into the dry ingredients and mix well. Kids, never bake or cook by yourselves. Always do this with adult supervision. Always be safe. Every once in a while, make sure you scoop the bottom part of the bowl so everything is blended well. Then put the batter into 2 8-inch pans. You can also use cupcake trays if you want. Then bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. We also put white cake strips so the edges don't burn fast. Then once your cake has baked and cooled, you may begin frosting. We made homemade cream cheese frosting by mixing cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar all together. Frost the top of the first layer, then add the second layer on top. Then frost the top layer again. It doesn't have to be a smooth finish. It looks nice and beautiful. Then pipe a border around the bottom of the cake. It looks pretty. Then it's time to add some decorations. I'm adding little carrots my mom made using marshmallow fondant. Fondant is just like Play-Doh. You can shape it any way you want. Then sprinkle it with orange sprinkles. The cake is nice and ready. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! It's really good.